Is your Epson EcoTank not printing black ink even after head cleaning? Don't worry, this video will show you a quick and effective way to fix the problem and get your printer working again. First, turn off the printer and wait until all the lights are completely off. Then, open the printer cover. If you find a scanner lock like this, you can use a pen to gently pry it open. Place a support to hold the scanner up. Move the printhead all the way to the right side. Now locate your printer's maintenance box. The position may vary depending on the model. Pull out the waste ink tube from the maintenance box. Next, grab a 50 ml syringe with a modified tip. Attach it to the waste ink tube and make sure it's tightly connected. Ensure the printhead is still fully positioned on the right side. Slowly pull the syringe to draw ink from the waste tube. Pull and hold until ink starts flowing into the syringe. This method helps remove clogs from the printhead. Once there's no more pressure, carefully release the syringe and make sure it doesn't push back when you remove it. That's enough. Remove the syringe and reconnect the waste ink tube properly. Close the printer cover. Turn the printer back on, then run a nozzle check to see the result. As you can see, the black ink is starting to print again. However, there are still some missing lines. To fix this, perform head cleaning 1 to 3 times. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and happy printing.